This week on Outdoor Junkies, we are heading north to Pinehurst Resort in northern Minnesota. We'll be fishing with Walt and Bob from Custom Jigs and Joanne and Yasik from Graph USA. We'll be going after monster bluegills and crappies. You don't want to miss this one, folks. Pan fishing, junkie style.
I'm using a triple combo here. I'm using this demon hair.
Oh, okay.
And then I'm using the larger slender spoon.
Okay.
And 1/8, and then I've got a tungsten.
All right, well.
The bigger ones hit this bigger slender spoon, but
We have a decent sized check eye and slender spoon, so I think I'll go that route for now. And we'll just.
Did you guys get minnows or?
Yeah, we did, but I figured that I didn't know if we were going to be running those with tip ups or not. We left them at the garage.
Yeah. Got one down there.
Box damaged or open when you got it?
Good size one, I do believe. And a lot of times, if you can't get them to go on a bigger slender spoon, if you can quick switch out and drop a tungsten down there, I got a Glasbon here with a couple of spikes. You can make a quick switch. You can usually catch one of those fish. And thinking that that's a bluegill, that's why you wouldn't hit that bigger slender spoon.
They're like right over here, right? On the left. Oh, there you go. Got it.
Just thinking as I set the rod down. Look at that.
On the dead stick. That's a nice
Look at
pen.
the bend on this thing.
It's a pike.
It's a pike? Oh,
It's a pike.
No wonder my fish snap is gone. Is it? Oh, no, he's not.
Still there. It's a pike.
I don't lip him.
Oh, and she got one too.
Yeah, I'd probably let another half a dozen go, but smaller ones.
Oh, it's a nice one. That's a nice fish.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, who says we need a tip up, right? Right.
It's more fun with.
Yeah.
Need my hook.
Oh, something's happening. Did you see him? I saw something.
I saw something pop, but I didn't
I'm hoping it's a large mouth, but
it's a
Piece of
it's a pike. Yeah, is it a good pike?
A little snaker.
Little snaker. There you go. Grab him by the ears. There you go. Hey, how about that?
Check that out.
Yep.
All right, junkies, we're in northern Minnesota here with Walt and
Yep.
We're jigging for fish.
We're jigging for
Whatever bites.
whatever bites. Yeah, it's been bluegills and crappies, and what's interesting when you catch these bigger pike with the little jigs like that, you usually get them right in the lip. They don't grab them and go cuckoo and like they do when you're tip up fishing, which we'll probably do later on.
All right, cool.
All right.
Stay tuned. We're pounding fish.
All right.
Outdoor Junkies is brought to you by Cunis Country, Bait Box on the Rock, Hunting Gear, Hanksters Motorsports, Bear Sets, Custom Jigs and Spins, Bee Fish and Tackle, and these fine sponsors. This has been a Stone Lake production. Welcome back to Outdoor Junkies.
What were you using?
1/8 ounce Wonderglow slender spoon. This one's got a nickel back because we're in kind of clear water, and a glow on the other side, different colors. Seems to attract them in. It's attracted all those guys in, but now it seems to attract the pike. And there's a couple more good-sized marks down there that I'm hoping aren't pike, but we'll see. I think I got another pike.
Walt, my time's a pike.
I am the pike man. Oh, my.
I think it's the same one.
It's not the same one. He hit a different lure, so it couldn't be the same one. Hit the slender spoon. Yep. There you go. Hey, snake fish. What's nice about the live scope is, like right now I've got it set for 60 foot. So whichever way my arrow is pointing there is going to be where we're looking for fish. So we got the arrow pointing right there. There's the school right there. There's a bigger school right there at 60 feet. So I got a hole right down there, probably about 40 foot. So hopefully I can just pick up real quick. Got a couple of rods. There's some more down over here, but there is a few right underneath me here. Little guy?
You got a nice pile going.
Yeah.
That was just in the last, like, 45 on this hole?
Yeah,
Right, 45
well, it
minutes?
was these 3 holes back and forth.
Heck yeah.
Yeah.
There you go. Check that out. That's a beautiful fish. Now hold it up. Awesome. On a slender spoon. Really nice fish.
Yep, the Wonder Bread.
All right. Get some more. So all about the speed fishing with the live scope when you have to run and gun. The suit then it's light and warm and totally waterproof. This is the key, so you can run and not get tired. And when you kneel down, you never get wet. Out to the live scope and check which direction they move. So, what we got right here on the screen, they move 20 feet that way. So let's check it out. 25, 35 feet from us. This direction, it should be somewhere over here. Like I said, it's all about the speed fishing. It's a nice one. Ooh. Come on. Nice. It's all about the speed fishing. Hey Walt, do you want another for a fry pan?
What's that?
You want another for a fry pan?
Maybe, but I got this one.
Mine can eat yours. Oh, maybe not. Maybe yours can eat mine. Oh, they're from the same mother.
They are. They're like twins. Look at that. Yeah, here we go. There we go, yes. Tell you what, if you're going fishing and you can't afford a guide, you want to hire the next best thing. He works for sausage.
Polish sausage and beer.
Beer. God.
That's
Ooh, that's not a pumpkin. It's like freaking bigger in my hand. Wow. I definitely got a... That's a damn nice gill.
Yeah.
What do you think of that, Junkies? Holy cow.
I'll tell you what.
Is it about 9.5?
It looks as big as your head.
9.5.
Yeah, 9, something like that, yeah?
9.5 maybe.
That's a nice gill. Yep. Here he goes.
It's small for here.
That's small?
Yeah. Yeah, it is. I'm not joking. We got 10, 11, up to 12.
Dude, if I catch a 12-inch bluegill, it's going on the wall. That's a hell of a fish. Hanksters Motorsports is your destination for the largest selection of ATVs, UTVs, snowmobiles, and motorcycles in southern Wisconsin. Conveniently located on Highway 51 between Janesville and Beloit, Hanksters Motorsports services all makes and models of anything power sports. Thanks to all of our customers, Hanksters Motorsports is now the fastest growing Yamaha dealer in the state of Wisconsin. To see all of our current specials and inventory, go to hankstersmotorsports.com.
Everybody is buzzing about all the great baits from Custom Jigs and Spins. New this year, Wonder Bread is now available in Demon Jigging Spoons, 3 different sizes to choose from. And you've got to check out the awesome Wonder Glow lineup. 6 great colors, 5 fish catching sizes, UV reflective, and the best glow in the business. Add in the RPM, the original Slender Spoon, and a complete lineup of quality tungsten and lead baits, Custom Jigs has the hottest baits below the ice.
I gotta put some lube.
Got another nice one?
Oh, not that big. It's a decent one. Woman, get too excited. He come back and just inhale it. This one is decent. This one is decent.
Holy balls.
Get a little excited.
Wow, them are nice crappies.
Put a little scoop. I didn't find anything. No, not at all. Not at all. You guys stay over there, there's no fish at all. There's no fish at all over here.
I know, there's no holes over there, that's what there is.
He's chasing like... I got too short hands to do it. When I grow up, I want to be like Walt.
You got another hole over there?
No, there's no holes at all.
keeping the gills?
No. If you guys want it. You want the gills?
What size are you guys keeping?
About 2 inches.
2 inches?
Yep.
Good size ones.
So you don't have to fillet them.
Half biters.
Oh God, yes, you're making me sick.
I know.
How do you like the sound of my reel?
I know. I think you leave it like that just so everybody looks.
Real, I'm like, oh God.
The guy skating on the tournament too. So they cannot get focused. They're just stacked in here.
Yeah, he's got them stacked.
It's
right now.
ridiculous. Like I can't even barely get it down there. It's like boom. No, nothing. This camera. Nope, there we go. That's another nice one.
Got him, Brian?
Yeah, that's a good one. Stay on there. Look at that.
I don't know.
That, man, you can't beat those.
Just slobs. Slobosauruses, Walt.
I know. They're not them skinny ones we're used to.
No kidding. That thing
Fat
is just,
Minnesota grills.
wow.
Gotta make it worth your trip.
Holy cow. That's a good one. I think we'll let that guy go. He's right at the brink.
Yes, I kept a couple like that for you.
Yeah. Well, you can only grab 10 and 10, so I'm gonna stick my numbers until I get a jumbo.
You got the number 10, huh?
I got that. You might have to open it out of your hole.
You can do the smallmouth. Smallmouth in the morning? Yep. We don't have to, they're biting all day long. Okay. Come back and tackle these guys for a little while and
because over here it's like 2-3 hours before.
what time are you thinking?
What time you guys wake up?
Okay.
We are not in a hurry. We're gonna catch fish.
Like 4 in the morning.
Good luck.
Now, if it was a tournament involved, I would say, okay, Yasser can be up.
Yeah.
But
Or free fishing, like for a tournament, I'm up like 4 or 5 every day.
Little pike. Well, there we go, junkies. End of the first night for me. We're gonna pack up. We'll clean up these fish. Game plan for tomorrow. Go after some smallies on the ice. That should be pretty sweet. I've never really went out and targeted smallies, but Yasik's has a spot. We're gonna go put the hammer down on them. And you can definitely get a flay off those. Perfect eater size. These are the ones that I kept. I released a couple nicer ones that were pushing 9.5 inches. These are all good eater size, so I'm gonna clean them up, get them ready for the fish fry. Stay tuned, junkies.
Outdoor Junkies is brought to you by Custom Country, Bait Box on the Rock, Hunting Gear, Hangsters Motorsports, Bear Sets, Custom Jigs and Spins, Bee Fish and Tackle, and these fine sponsors. This has been a Stone Lake production. We are staying at Pinehurst Resort and Lodge, located between North and South Twin Lakes in Naatawash, Minnesota. Pinehurst has been in the Lavoie family for over 100 years. We stopped into the lodge and asked the owners to give us a quick tour.
So the building was constructed in 1918. It was purchased by the Lavoie family in 1959 and has been in the family ever since. The lodge here has been added on to in the late 70s, where a grocery store was added, dining room. The kitchen has been expanded. We added a bar. The lodge itself was remodeled in the 2000s. Just a couple years ago, we tore out the old wood floor, added heated concrete to the round room. Here at the resort, we do serve breakfast. Breakfast goes from 8 to 11. We have lunch with a short order menu. And on the weekends, throughout the year, our dining room is open, where we do half chicken dinners, walleye dinners. We do a Saturday night prime rib and other specials throughout the year. All our cabins are located on South Twin Lake, which is a beautiful sandy bottom, great for the kids to swim in, very shallow right out in front of the cabins. 17 cabins we rent here at Pinehurst, all varying sizes, as small as 2-bedroom up to our biggest cabins have 4 bedrooms with 6 beds, 5 bedrooms, 5 beds. All cabins have full kitchens. All the linens are provided. Every cabin is right on the lake. Either has their own dock or shares a dock with the neighboring cabins. So we have a family tradition here at Pinehurst. It's been passed through the Lavoie family for years, but it's also been that way with our customers. We have the fishing, the boating, there's 4-wheeler trails, lots of snowmobile trails here in the winter. But if you're not interested in any of those activities, just come here to relax. So to get a hold of us, you can either look at our website or give us a call at 218-935-5745.
All right, junkies, it's our first night here up at Pinehurst Resort, and I'm here with Walt with Custom Jigs and Spins, and Walt put on quite the clinic today with Yasek.
With Yasek, did, yeah.
Hammered the crappies and bluegills. I was only here for a half hour, and I put about 10 keepers on the ice like that, so not too shabby, but what a nice haul. Look at the size of these things when you come up here. I mean, these
are some nice thick fish.
Any day of the week, I'll take crappies like that.
Yeah, same thing with these bluegills. They're nice.
We're talking good, thick,
nice fat, 8 inchers, pretty much all we got.
Yep.
And so, can't beat it.
No.
Can't beat it.
But yeah, what an awesome trip. And like I said, it's day one. We're here until Sunday. I can't wait to see what happens tomorrow. Tomorrow we're going after smallies.
Yep, should be good.
It's gonna be awesome. Pulling nice, probably average, what would you say, 13 to 15 inch?
Yeah, 13 to 15 inch, but on a small rods, fight like crazy.
Fight like crazy on little tiny rods. So that's gonna be so much fun. I can't wait. Especially if we get into more crappie action like this. We're all going home with fish.
And then maybe you can set some tip ups up too.
Yep, we're gonna try some tip ups. We're gonna see if we can maybe get a couple pike and possibly a walleye. That'd be nice. And probably some crappies on the tip ups. I wouldn't doubt if they go after it as well.
Oh yeah.
So stay tuned, junkies. This is just day one.
Tune in next week for more ice fishing action in northern Minnesota, Junkie Style.